wires of equal length L1 is equal to L2, one of aluminum and the other of copper have the same resistance. Which of the two wire is lighter? Hence explain why aluminum wires are preferred for overhead power cable, right? So see, first of all, L1 for aluminum and L2 for copper, right? So see, now we know that resistance formula R1 is equal to rho 1 L1 upon A and R2 is equal to rho 2 L2 upon A2. Now we know that L1 is equal to L2. So if we are finding R1 is equal to R2, because see, same resistance they have, so R1 is equal to R2. So we can easily write rho 1 L1 A1 is equal to rho 2 L2 A2. So L1 L2 are same, so cancelled out. Now we are left with rho 1 upon rho 2 is equal to A1 upon A2. Now we have this resistivity, it is given here, see. So A1 upon A2 is equal to rho 1 upon rho 2, and rho 1 is for aluminum. So aluminum is 2.63 into 10 raised to minus 8 upon 1.72 into 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 8 cancelled out. So A1 upon A2 we have. Now see here, mass density. What is mass? So M1 is equal to that density into volume, and volume is area into length 1. Similarly, M2 is equal to D2 A2 L2. Now if we are taking ratio of these two equations, M1 and M1 upon M2, so L1 L2 cancel out because of they are same. So M1 upon M2 is equal to D1. D1 is of aluminum, relative density of aluminum, that is 2.7 upon D2, it is 8.9, and A1 upon A2, that is 2.63 upon 1.72. So this is the calculation here. So 2.7 into 2.63 upon 8.9 and 1.72. So that is 0.464. So M1 is equal to this value. So we can write M2. If I have M2 subject, so M2 is equal to 1 upon that answer is 2.16 M1. So we can write M2 is greater than M1. Means that copper is heavier than aluminum. Aluminum is lighter than copper, right? So aluminum is lighter wire from the in comparison with the copper. Hence explain why aluminum wire are preferred for overhead power cables. So overhead power cables, see, first of all, aluminum is low in cost than copper. So that is the reasonable reason to preference of aluminum. And second thing is aluminum, because of its lighter mass, we can easily put it as power cables, because power cables are so much long, right? And if power cables are long, then there will be a high resistance. So see, if it is long, high resistance will be there. So we have to put, because of longness of that, we have to put lighter object as a power head cables. And see, you can see that resistivity of aluminum is higher, right? So resistivity higher, that means resistance is higher. So to decrease the resistance, we have to form aluminum wires thick to decrease the resistance.